Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. A very interesting 24 hours after the Australian dollar was unfazed after the announcement last night that China was open to partial deal to the US and China trade tariffs. However, there has been mixed reports since then and the market has been quite turmoil, especially in the stock market. However, we are still holding to a bearish case. You can see the RSI, a 3-day look back, is quite in terms of negative due to the fact it's under the midway point, married up with the MACD. My view is the fact we still need to break 05. This morning's low has been 09. If we break 67.05, I'm looking down towards 66.70, which is inevitable for the challenge, and maybe even down towards the level of 66.10.15 with the broad objective at 65.40.60. Any advances should still be contained by 67.60 and a cap around 68 cents. We've got further pressure to this downtrend as the US dollar is still a little bit mixed, but the euro dollar bulls are still persistent. If we see a break above 109.90 to 110.10, this would see a little bit of a splurge to the upside, but an opportunity to shorten the market as the overall cap is still around 111. I believe any advances, although from a technical point is bullish, should eventually fail and turn back towards 109.45 and the objective of 108.65. Dollar yen did stage an impulse overnight towards the level of 107.75, but failed. From a technical point, I still believe yen is the way to go to buy and sell dollars. So yen strength, weaker US dollar. Due to the fact is that the safe haven demand is still out there, with the uncertainty to the US and Chinese trade officials still looking to negotiate in the next 2 days on the 13th round of high-stake talks. At the present, we've still got mixed outlooks between whether there will be any kind of settlement in terms of an agreement to the tariffs or not. So still like to see yen remain strong and see dollar weakness and pull back towards 106.10. The pound took another stab up to the top side and this time failed at 122.90. From there, the fact is we've seen a pullback and also a rejection that could see further weakness to the picture of 121.70. In light of the pattern, I still feel that the pound is struggling with only days left to the potential divorce from the UK EU, which is on the 31st of October. Gold survived that challenge the previous day at 1,488 and now looks up towards the next target of 1,516. That has been the high so far, and no doubt probably see further weakness in terms of the dollar as gold increases to the top side and looks towards 16.22 to 28. Any pullback still sees support at 06, but the key level remains at 1,488. Wrapping up with the oil, well, the market's still pressuring this downside around 50.5 to 51.5. I'm still a buyer from there until we see some kind of breakdown, but the technicals are a little bit concerning. But I believe from the rejection here back in August and also the recent rejection from the Dragonfly Doji and also this rejection from us last night is giving some faith the bulls are still lurking from that level and eventually see a turnaround and look towards a level of around $53 to $55 a barrel. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoyed the great start to this new day.